Welcome to Focus on Forensics video series. I am Edouard Delfosse, Director at Arendt in the Forensic Investigations, Corporate Intelligence and Litigation Support practice.
And I am Joseph Crozat, Advisor at Arendt working with Edouard. In this episode, we will talk about gathering evidence and uncovering facts to support your case.
When money keeps flowing, most people do not question the way their investments are managed. But in times of economic downturn, everyone starts being more diligent, asking for detailed information on their returns, the investment policies, the decisions that were taken, etc. We have seen many cases over the past years of investors, sometimes even sole investors, in an investment fund who believe they have suffered a loss due to fraud or mismanagement of the fund. In these cases, they do not have access to sufficient information to support their case. And when this loss was real and due to fraud, the parties involved are doing everything they can to not provide information. Investors who believe they have suffered a loss can then, with the support of their lawyer, enter into litigation against the parties they believe to be responsible. Prior to doing so, an analysis of the facts is required to understand the context, the structure, and relationships between the parties involved, and the alleged fraud or mismanagement that led to the loss incurred by the investors. They need elements to help build their case and to present them in a way that will be understandable by a judge.
This is where we, as part of the Forensic Investigations, Corporate Intelligence and Litigation Support team at Arendt, provide crucial support to clients and their lawyers. We analyze available documents, if any, and supplement the analysis with information gathered from open sources as well as human intelligence. Our experience and expertise in corporate intelligence, along with our access to most professional international databases, enable us to find hard-to-obtain information, to identify hidden assets, trace financial flows, explore social networks. Our goal is to support the litigation and therefore to find any elements that could be useful to the lawyers, strong evidence or leads. For example, one of our clients, a limited partner in an investment fund, had concerns and suspicions of potential fraudulent actions, mismanagement, and conflicts of interest regarding the general partner of the investment fund he had invested in. We first performed in-depth research on the key individuals, including research into their business interests, directorships, and networks, involving intelligence gathering via both open source research and human intelligence channels. We then performed a review of the investments that might have been used to orchestrate the fraudulent scheme, looking for patterns or recurring and unusual stakeholders.
As a result, we were able to identify conflicts of interest, which of course had not been declared, and our findings were very useful to the legal counsels to support various legal actions. Our years of experience in litigation support and working alongside lawyers allow us to deliver our findings in an easily understandable format with visual and detailed information on sources. Litigation is becoming increasingly complex, and litigation support are not a luxury anymore. Stay tuned for the next episode.